Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 6, a 3.1.2 channel sound bar. What I want to do is to show you how to connect it to your TV via Bluetooth. Switch the sound bar on, use the input to select Bluetooth. It will show you a blue color, highlighting. The next thing to do is you need to switch TV on, go to the TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Scroll to the right to Bluetooth device. Scroll down to device list. Select on the device list. So it's now looking for available Bluetooth device. Bravia Theatre Bar 6 is found. Select on it. It's connecting. It's connected. Bravia Theatre Bar 6 connected. Increase the volume using the soundbar remote or TV remote, or you can also increase the volume using Bravia Connect app. Now I want us to go to YouTube. This is the audio. This printer is Epson Workforce 2840. If you select the volume, someone asks how to show you install the driver for Epson Workforce Pro WF3820. I'm going to use this printer for this guide. This guide works for pretty much all the Epson printer. First of all, we need to connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network. We connect it to a computer to download the necessary driver we require. So what we need to do is, first of all, go to the control panels, use right arrow button, go to the setting, select settings, select OK, then select network settings, select OK. Select Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Wi-Fi recommended, select OK. You can print wirelessly from computers and devices via Wi-Fi. Proceed, select OK. This is Sony Bravia Connect. It will show you the TV, LG TV, Weber's TV, and it's connected via Bluetooth. From this app, you can control the TV. You can select night mode, sound field, voice mode, increase the volume or decrease the volume or mute the volume. Bass level, you can increase the bass, and audio, you can select main/sub or select sub or main. You can also select the settings. So this is how to connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth. If you go to your TV settings, select the TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. So this is how to connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth. Thank you very much indeed.